If you guys want to see how I make these delicious jerk lamb chop, you just continue to watch this video. Hi guys, this is Jody Cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some jerk lamb chop. That's my lamb chop. These are all my herbs. You got pimento seed, you got onion, you got spring onion, you have thyme, you have garlic, and you also have ginger, and you also have cachemanic pepper. These are all my seasoning. You have all-purpose seasoning, you have garlic powder, you have paprika, you have everyday seasoning, you have seasoned salt, and you also have jerk seasoning, but this is the powder one. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my lamb chop. So this is 1 spoonful of the all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful of the garlic powder, half a teaspoonful of the everyday seasoning, and 1 spoonful of the paprika, 1 spoonful of the jerk seasoning, and half a teaspoonful of the seasoned salt. And I'm also gonna add some browning to it. This is like around 1 spoonful or maybe half a spoonful. You don't need a lot, just a tiny bit. So I'm gonna take my bare hand and just massage my meat. You can always use your gloves. Just make sure all the meat is all covered with the seasoning. So my meat is all seasoning, and this is how it looks. So here I have a blender, because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend up all my herbs. I only add like 2 spoonfuls of water and that's it. So I'm just gonna blend it now. So this is how it look after I finished blend it. What I did, I add a bit more water in my blender for it to be looser a bit, because it was taking long to blend. But this is how it look. So I'm just gonna add 1 spoonful of browning to it. No, that's half a teaspoon actually. Half a teaspoonful. And I'm gonna also add some vegetable oil. That's around 1.5 spoonful. Then stir it. So I'm just gonna pour all my mix to the meat, because I'm gonna leave it overnight in my fridge for at least 9 hours. All these herbs gonna make it have such a nice flavor. So it's all finished now. So my lamb chop is finally marinated, and this is how it look. Here I have a tray, and I put at least half a cup of water, and I'm gonna put my lamb chop on my grill. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray it with some coconut oil so it doesn't stick. So I'm just gonna transfer my lamb chop on my oven grill, and I'm gonna put it in my oven for 30 minutes and 150 degrees. It's all finished now, so this is how it look. The reason I put water in my tray so the lamb chop doesn't dry, because it will dry it out. So that's the reason why I fill water in my tray. So I just take my lamb chop from the oven, and this is how it look. It looking absolutely delicious. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna spray some coconut oil on my lamb chop. So it moist, and I'm gonna turn it now. So this is how it look after I turn it. So I'm gonna put it back in the oven for at least 35 minutes and 150 degrees. So my lamb chop is finally finished, guys, and this is how it look. It looking so good. I'm having it with gungo rice and peas. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please subscribe for many other videos. I thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.